Hi there, my name is Jen Dobson from Degrees of Success, and in this video we are going to talk about student loan debt. Going to college seemed like a no-brainer right up until you got your first bill, right? Well, in this video I'm going to give you some tricks to reduce your student loan payments so you can finally celebrate your graduation. Hi guys, Jen here. So let's talk about student loan debt. I am sure you have heard many people in the news talking about the student loan debt crisis. There is even an Occupy student debt group that is fighting for total student loan forgiveness. What you may not know is there are some options that can help you now until we can get our government to come to their senses. Student loan debt has surpassed $1 trillion, which in itself is mind-boggling. Unfortunately, what's worse is over $85 billion of this debt is past due. This means students are getting loans to complete college but simply can't afford to pay it back when it comes time. This is mainly due to the lack of accurate information of how to best manage student loan debt. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever heard of the IBR program, or ICR-A, or even the pay-as-you-earn plan? If you haven't, don't feel bad because you're not alone. These are all programs that allow you to reduce your student loan monthly payments and even allow for the government to step in and make subsidy payments for you. Now, subsidy payments, those are payments the government makes towards the interest on your loans to aid in your loan balances being paid down at a reasonable rate. If you don't think you qualify, you may actually be surprised. The reduced payments are based on three main factors: your total student loan balances, your income, and your family size. Now, your interest rates, they're also factors in the calculations. Therefore, even if your income is high, if your student loan balances are also high, you could still qualify. Over 900,000 people qualify for a reduced payment and just have not taken advantage of these great programs. Another plus to qualifying for a reduced payment program like the three I mentioned is qualifying for forgiveness. Now, many people seem to be confused by who qualifies for forgiveness. The forgiveness program is not just available for those who work as teachers or police officers, but regular corporate jobs qualify for the programs as well. There are two different types of forgiveness programs. There is the Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program and the IBR Forgiveness Program. Now, the Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program is for those in the public sector, whether they are a doctor working at a hospital or an attorney working at an attorney general's office, or even a teacher or a police officer. Those with public service positions will get loan forgiveness after 10 years of payments if they qualify based on their income and their student loan balances. Those not in the public sector, though, that don't have those high incomes and who qualify for a reduced payment, they can see loan forgiveness as soon as 20 years. If you would like to know if you qualify, you can call me or my staff at 813-528-1102 or even text me and we can determine if you qualify. Or you can go to ibrinfo.org to calculate it for yourself. Make sure you include all of your federal student loans and your weighted interest rates when calculating to get a more accurate answer. Knowing what you qualify for is the best way to help manage your debt, especially if you've been having a really hard time making your monthly payments. There are many other things that you should know about your student loan debt burden, but this should whet your palate and make you realize that there are other options available. Knowledge has always been power, and the more you understand about your student loan debt, the more money you could be saving. Throughout the year, I will delve into even more details and make sure you are kept abreast of all the great options that are available, especially as regulations change. If you have specific questions about your student loan debt but want to be kept confidential, just send me an email or text message me about your question, and I can make sure to answer your question about your student loans in one of my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe below so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait until the next time.